One leg stretch. Start supine, then pull one leg into the chest while the other leg reaches away. This first version that Loraine shows is from the Joseph Pilates Return to Life through Contrology book, initiating the exercise from that supine position. Inhale, one leg reaches, and exhale, the second leg reaches. Or you can exhale as the leg reaches and inhale as they switch. Or another version is inhale, leg one, leg two, exhale, leg one, leg two. Note the hand position. The opposite hand is on the opposite knee. The same hand reaches down the same shin. That can be a little coordination challenge as you're swapping from leg to leg. Loraine also shows starting the exercise from a tabletop position, which is much easier start position. She also shows us the exercise with the head on the mat, which is very useful for those that complain of sore necks, or if it's simply not appropriate to achieve that upper back curl.